Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve the Hindu news episode Sudoku puzzle on December 13, 2022. Two star Sudoku. Second row, third row, we have 6. So 6 on come these cells. That's 6 is from here. Third grid, we have 8 and 7. So 8 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Column E, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell 7 is from here. Then 8 is here. Then the fourth row, 3 numbers are remaining 1, 5, 2. It will come in another cells. We will confirm later. First grid, we have 6 and 4. So 6 and 4 can't come these cells. It will come in other 2 cells. 8th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is from here. Then 6 is here. Then column C, 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 5. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 5th row, we have 3 and 6. So 3 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. 6th row, we already have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell 3 is from here. Then 6 is here. Then 4th grid, 2 numbers are remaining 5 and 8. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column D, 8th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in these cells. Then 4 is from here. 8th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in these cells. Then 5 will come here in other cells. We will confirm later. Column D, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is from here. Then 8 is here. Second row, column D, we have 8. So it can't come in these cells. Then 8 is from here. Then column B, 2 numbers are remaining 2 and 7. 8th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is from here. Then 2 is here. Then first grid, 2 numbers are remaining 2 and 9. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then 7th grid, 3 numbers are remaining 1, 7, 5. 8th row, we have 7 and 5. So 7 and 5 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining 1. 1 is from here. 6th grid, then column G, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column F, column G, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. The 6 is confirmed here. 8th grid, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. The 3 is confirmed here. Then 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining 8 and 9. Column G, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column G, we have 3 and 4. So 3 and 4 can't come in this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. Third row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then third grid, only one number is remaining 9. 9 is confirmed here. Second row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Third row, 3 numbers are remaining 1, 5, 2. Column E, we go 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. Then 2 is confirmed here. Then third row, 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 5. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column G, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Then 8th grade, 2 numbers are remaining 4 and 5. 10th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 7. 6th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. And then 7 is here. 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining 5 and 8. Column H, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 6th row, we have 1 and 2. So 1 and 2 can't come this cell. It will come in other 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then 5th row, 2 numbers are remaining 4 and 9. Column F, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then 5th grade, 2 numbers are remaining 5 and 8. Column E, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column E, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell 5 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. In first grade, only one numbers are remaining. 1 is confirmed here. In second row, two numbers are remaining. 4 and 5. Column F, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell 4 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 10th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell 5 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then 6th grade, only one number is remaining. 9 is confirmed here. Column H, column J, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells, then 5 is confirmed here. Then 4th row, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then column H, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. 9th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. Sorry, column H, two numbers are remaining, 7 and 6. It will come in another 2 cells. 9th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then 10th row, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. Column J, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then column J, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column H, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 9th row, two numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. Column I, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.